You must have created many such ads with AI. But the unique idea I'm sharing with you today is one you have never seen or created before. In this CGI ad, AI models market your product wearing clothes according to your brand. So let's quickly create one. Now I have a pre-prepared prompt for generating an image. Copy and paste it onto Google Nano Banana. Then upload your product image from here. Then mention the product's name or a little detail in the bracket. And simply generate. Our image is ready. Now to give it some motion, we will use Pixverse. Here's the Pixverse interface is open. Simply click on Generate Video and enhance the quality of your video from here. Then upload your generated image here and write these simple instructions like I want a couple moving realistically and showing the product which they hold in their hands as they are doing marketing for the brand. And after writing this, hit the generate button. It will also be ready. So see how good it looks. So how did you like the unique idea to promote your brand? Do tell us in the comments. Follow us for more such AI marketing hacks.